Hi everyone, in this video we will see how to offer free shipping to specific customers, only to specific customers. So first thing first, click on shipping and then click on conditionally high rates. Then give this campaign a name, so free shipping for VIP customers. Then what we want to do is qualify this function if customer tag does not match one of VIP. So if the customer does not have the tag VIP, what we want to do is hide the rate name with the name free shipping. So click on this and let's save the function. Perfect. Now let's check our checkout and our shipping section. As you can see, the free shipping option disappeared because our customer doesn't have the tag VIP. So let's go back to our Shopify admin, click on customers, click on our customers, and add the tag VIP. Save this, and then reload our checkout. As you can see, the free shipping option now is available because the customer has the tag VIP. See you in the next video.